Okay, so what we're going to do today is start off by making the pinball machine on Autodesk Inventor. So the way we do this is we go to top left, we go to File. Once we've opened Autodesk Inventor Professional, I'm going to go New, and then a menu will come up, and we are looking to create on metric standard millimeters.ipt, and we're going to press Create there. Once we've done that, a few planes will come up once we have pressed Start 2D Sketch. So we're going to left click up here and click any of these planes, and then we can start to create our sketch. So we're going to start off by creating our frame and assemble it together and then attach the base on, just like you do in the workshop. So the way we do that is we are going to click the rectangle tool, left click on the mouse, find the green dot there, and we are going to create a piece which is 45 by 20. 45, I'm going to press Tab, not Enter, but we're going to press Tab so you can change dimensions. Then we're going to press 20, and then we're going to press Enter. If we press this button here, this little drop down, we can go Zoom All, and then we can make sure we can see the whole thing here. And we need to create the channel which is going to be routed away. So the way we're going to do that is we are going to come in from this top corner with a rectangle tool. We need to go 10 across and 8 deep. So we're going to press 8 for depth, tab, 10, and that's our channel. We are then going to go 3D model, and we're going to extrude this channel. Left click it, and then change the distance. We're going to change it to 600, and we're going to press Enter or OK. Press this button here, you will see that this whole frame comes into place, and then we are going to mirror this. So if we just change the view here a little bit, change it to that view, you might want to right click on this button here and press Set Current View as Home. Just means it will always go back to this when you press the house. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to press the drop down. We're going to go Offset from Plane, and on this edge here, this inside edge here, we're going to press 190, so we offset a drawing plane. Again, you might want to just make sure it's within view. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mirror, so there's this tool up here. I'm going to select this solid. We're also going to make sure that we've clicked Mirrored Solid, and then we're going to click this button here so it creates a new solid on the other side, separate, and we're going to click Mirror Plane, this one here, and the other piece should appear over here. Now we've got two separate solids, and that is kind of the sides to our frame. Nice and easy.